Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge class. Today our topic is CSIR Research Institutes. Our India's prestigious scientific and industrial research institute is CSIR. Under this CSIR, so many research institutes are working. Those institutes' importance I will explain today. First, CSIR means Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. It was established on September 26, 1942 in New Delhi. Headquarters located in New Delhi. That building is called Anusandhan Bhavan. Anusandhan Bhavan, New Delhi, it is located. India's prestigious and autonomous means independent research organization, that is CSIR. Who is the founder of this research organization? That person is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, India's famous scientist during independence time. That person was founder of this CSIR, Council for Scientific Industrial Research. Founder is Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Politically worked by Arcot Ramaswamy Mudaliar. He was famous lawyer, diplomat, and also statesman. He was the first chairman of UNO Economic Social Council. That person politically worked, but technology point of who worked, that person is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. That's why CSIR is giving Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar awards on the memory of Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. These awards were started in 1958. To encourage scientists' point of view, those scientists age also below 45 years. Those scientists' point of view, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar awards have been given. He is the founder director of CSIR. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar was the founder director of CSIR. Present director is Shekhar C. Mande. Who is the chairman or president of this CSIR? Ex officio chairman of the CSIR. That person is Prime Minister. Vice President or Vice Chairman is Science and Technology Minister. This council is working under Science and Technology Ministry. What is the main vision of CSIR? To provide scientific, industrial research and development that maximizes the economic, environmental and societal benefit for the people. That is the main achievement or main vision of CSIR. Its budget, this 2021-22 CSIR purpose, our government allotted 7,144 crores allotted. Approximately 4,600 scientists are working. Total employees, technical and supporting employees, all are totally 14,000, including 4,600 scientists are working in this CSIR. It has 38 laboratories all over the country, 38 laboratories, 39 outreach centers and 3 innovative centers are there. In these 38 laboratories, 11 are biological laboratories, 10 are engineering laboratories and 9 are chemical laboratories, 5 are physical laboratories and 3 are information laboratories. These are laboratories are there of our CSIR. Actually, CSIR, whenever started in 1942, they planned to establish these 5 laboratories. National Chemical Laboratory, Chemical Research Point of Chemical Laboratory, after that National Physical Laboratory, the next National Metallurgical Laboratory. FR means Fuel Research Purpose, Fuel Research Laboratory, but later period it was established. Glass and Ceramic Institute also they are planning to establish, but these 5 mainly focused basically. After that, so many laboratories were established by CSIR. What are the achievements of CSIR? Main achievements, number 1 is synthetic drug. First synthetic drug invented in our country by CSIR, that is methoquinone, and also optical glass was also invented by this CSIR institutes. Swaraj tractor, first Swaraj tractor was made in 1967. Swaraj tractor was made by CSIR. NM5 planes also made by National Aerospace Laboratory. PC based software was made with the support of TCS, and also recently COVID-19 mortality rate decreasing point of view, one medicine was also invented, that is Cespivak. This Cespivak efficacy is also, it reduces the mortality rate of COVID-19 patients. All these are achievements of CSIR. And what are the laboratories, main research centers? These are useful for any competitive examination in our country. First, number one, CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. It was established in Hyderabad in 1977. It is prestigious molecular biology institute in our country, located in Hyderabad. CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. It is located in Lucknow. Central Drug Research Institute is located in Lucknow. It was established in 1951. 1951. Central Drug Research Institute was established in 1951 in Lucknow. So many scientific research institutes are located in Lucknow. It is also located, Drug-Based Research Institute in our country, where is located? That is located in Lucknow. Next, CBRI, Central Building Research Institute. It is located in Roorkee. Central Building Research Institute is located in Roorkee in 1947. It was established in 1947. Building research point of view, Central Building Research Institute was established in Roorkee in 1947. Our country's first engineering college is also established in Roorkee. In 1848, first engineering college was started in Roorkee, that is now IIT of Roorkee. Next, CEERI, Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute. It is located in Pilani. Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute is located in Pilani, Rajasthan. Famous BITS is located in Pilani. In that place, Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, it was established in 1953. 1953. Next, CECRI, Central Electrochemical Research Institute. Central Electrochemical Research Institute, it is located in Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu. Karaikudi, one small town located in Tamil Nadu. It was established there. Central Electrochemical Research Institute. It was established in 1953. 1953. Next, CFTRI, Central Food Technological Research Institute. Central Food Technological Research Institute, established in Mysore in 1950. 1950. Its resource center is also located in Hyderabad. Next one is CIMAP, Central Institute of Medical and Aromatic Plants. Central Institute of Medical and Aromatic Plants. It was established in 1959 in Lucknow. Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants. These plants are using in medical industry. That purpose on research institute was started in 1959, located in Lucknow. Next, CRRI, Central Road Research Institute. It is located in Delhi. Central Road Research Institute was started in 1950. 1950. Next, CMERI, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. CMERI means Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. It is located in Durgapur, West Bengal. It was established in 1958. This institute was established in 1958. Next, CGCRI, Central Glass and Ceramic Research Institute. Glass and Ceramic Research Institute. It is located in Kolkata. It was established in 1950. Central Glass and Ceramic Research Institute was established in 1950 in Kolkata. Next, CLRI, Central Leather Research Institute. It is located in Chennai. Leather research point of view, one institute was started in 1948. That is Central Leather Research Institute, located in Chennai. India is the top producer of leather and also leather finished goods. Because of this research institute has been working since 1948. Next, CIMFR, Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research. Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research. It was established in 2007 only in Dhanbad. Actually, Dhanbad is very famous for National School of Mines NSM, that is now one IIT rank institution. In that place, in Dhanbad, Jharkhand, Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research purpose, this institute was started in 2007 in Dhanbad. Next, CSMCRI, Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute. Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute. It was established in Bhavanagar, Gujarat. Bhavanagar. Bhavanagar, Gujarat in 1959. It was started in 1959. Next, IICT, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, prestigious chemical institution of our country. It was started in Hyderabad in 1944. IICT was started. It is also one of the oldest before independence research institute, started in 1944, because CSIR first planning to establish chemical based, physical based, metallurgical based, field research based and glass and ceramic based research institutes they planned to establish. That's why Indian Institute of Chemical Technology was started in 1944. IHBT, Institute of Himalayan Bioresearch Technology. Institute of Himalayan Bioresearch Technology. It is located in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. It was established in 1983. 1983. Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology was started in where? Palampur, Himachal Pradesh in 1983. Next, IICB, Indian Institute of Chemical Biology. Indian Institute of Chemical Biology. It was established before independence. 1935 it was established another name, but in 1956 it was joined under this CSIR. After that, this name has been running from 1982 only. Indian Institute of Chemical Biology. It is located in Kolkata. Next, IITR means Indian Institute of Toxicological Research. Toxicology means the study of poisons. It is located in Lucknow. It was established in 1965. Next, Indian Institute of Petroleum, IIP. Indian Institute of Petroleum is located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand state, Dehradun. Institute of Petroleum. It was established in 1960, 1960. Next, NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute. Basically, Botanical Gardens was started before independence in Kolkata, but National Botanical Research Institute was started in 1953 in Lucknow. NEERI, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. It was started in Nagpur. National Environmental Engineering Institute was started in Nagpur in 1958. NCL, National Chemical Laboratory. It is located in Pune. It was started in 1950. National Chemical Laboratory was started in 1950. NGRI, it is Hyderabad based famous research institute. National Geophysical Research Institute, Hyderabad, started in 1961. Next, National Aerospace Laboratory. In 1959, it was established. Basically established in Delhi. After that, shifted to Bangalore. National Aerospace Laboratory. NPL, National Physical Laboratory. It is also one of the oldest physics related laboratories, that is located in Delhi. It was established in 1947. National Physical Laboratory was started in 1947. Next, NML, National Metallurgical Laboratory. It is located in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. It was established in 1944. National Metallurgical Laboratory, because CSIR also first planned to establish these 5 categories. That's why it was established in 1944. National Metallurgical Laboratory. Metallurgy means the study of metals. Last one, National Institute of Oceanography. NIO means National Institute of Oceanography. It is located in Panaji, Goa. It was established in 1966. But examination point of view, these research institutes are located where? Okay, what is abbreviation of these research institutes? What purpose working? These important points we have to concentrate. Thank you.